Welcome back, everybody. It's been a while since I've done a walkthrough with you, so I thought I would give you an update. Here is the bathroom. See, I got a new tub dropped in, all the new plumbing fixtures there. See, so we've got tub spout. That'll be the wall wand, and then up top will be a rain head that comes out. And there's our mixing valve behind there. It's got that nice little protective cover to it. That tub has actually been totally hooked up. Drain works, and I will take you down there. So far, I don't think I actually have anything up top that's been new from our last post. So, in coming down, you'll see I've got some gray building panels there, and those are going to be what I use for the backer, for the shower down here, and the tub surround upstairs. So in coming down, you see I have, again, all the wiring ready for the lighting now, and we're still all the way set here. And it's still pretty dark, but try to see if it'll show up for you here. You'll see that is my control box now for the heated flooring. So we're gonna have heated flooring come in all the way through here and come up to the curb for the shower pan there, which we just picked up. So that will be going in on our next update here. But as you see, everything is all wired in, and now I just have to drop in some new lighting. And as you come around, everything now is ready to go. So, until next time, thanks for tuning in.